In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Battlefield 6 on console. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. A week from now, during the time that I'm recording this video, Battlefield 6 will be officially released, and it is going to be available for new-gen consoles, including PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X or S. If you only have a PlayStation 4 or Xbox One, then sadly, you will not be able to play Battlefield 6. If you want to pre-order the game or purchase it officially when it releases, all that you have to do is visit your respective store. So I'm going to teach you how to do it through the websites here, but you can absolutely do it directly through the console itself. So visit the Microsoft Store or the PlayStation Store, and using the search function, you can find Battlefield. So use the search function on either of these stores, and when you look for Battlefield, it should be the first result to pop up alongside other titles, of course. So the game is available on both stores, and it is going for $69.99. This is for the standard edition, which is going to include the base game, of course, and also a single pre-order bonus, which is going to have some skins and different XP boosts and other perks. If you are willing to pay $30 extra, you can get the Phantom Edition. This one is going to include a bunch of extra goodies. I'm not going to go over every single thing that is included, but you can find a list by browsing through the screenshots on the store page. So as you can see, it includes a battle pass, a bunch of soldier skins, weapon packages, XP boosts, and so on. So purchase either of the editions. Both are going to include the base game, and the Phantom Edition is going to be $30 extra. Once it releases officially and you have the game purchased, you will be able to download and play. You can also look for physical copies on different retailers. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.